What's up, guys? It's Silver Seeker, and it's been a while since we have done an old-fashioned silver unboxing, but I figured I'd share with you what's inside this box and another box that I have sitting right next to me as well, because I am really excited about them. So let's go ahead and get into it, guys. We're gonna cut the box open carefully, knife away from me so I don't stab myself in the chest. You know how it is. And we're gonna get this box open and take a look at what's inside. All right, let's look in here. All right, we'll get this out of the way. And inside here, we have ourselves a plastic package. And so we'll go ahead and open it up from this end. And we'll just spill out its guts and see what we have. It's gonna be silver guts, though. Oh, man. This is going to take a while to sort, but let's get, you can see my cup stain there. I need to clean this. But anyway, let's go ahead and, I was hoping this would come in tubes or something, but, oh, we got some tubes. So not too bad, not too bad. But either way, we got ourselves some silver. So what's the first thing we have here? Well, this right here is a full tube of something from 2021. Let's flip it over and see. We still don't know. That was supposed to be like more eventful than it ended up being. The payoff wasn't there at all. All right, now let's take a look. So we have a 2021 Nui $2 1 ounce silver black turtle. Look at that. Really, really cool. We've already had some of these, but they're just so cool. I figured why not get a few more? So we got a full sealed tube of black turtles. All right, let's go ahead and open up this one. We'll cut down the tape. Gotta be safe. Safety first. Don't stab yourself. Open it up and take a look at these. These I thought were really, really cool. These are the Freedom Liberty rounds. Oh boy, it looks like there's a little bit of milk spotting on that first one there. Well, that's unfortunate. But anyway, that is really cool. So that's like an in-cuse imprinted design right there. I can feel it with my finger. It's actually into the coin. Flip it over and you have the Statue of Liberty. Of course, it's 1 ounce of 99 fine silver. And again, same thing. It's an in-cuse design. I hope there's not like a, oh, look at that. More milk spotting. I hope that's, oh my goodness. What is going on? Oh my gosh, it's in the same spot on every one of them. Did someone just like grab all of these? All right, so finally, it only took us going to our 5th one to find one that doesn't have any spotting on it. So anyway, we got some of those. Not super happy about the milk spots for sure. Let's get those out of the way and see what else is in here. So we have the full tube of those. We have the full tube of black turtles. Now, we have just a few different designs in here. There's just multiple of them. You can probably see what's going on. Take a look at this. We've had these before, but guys, anytime I get an opportunity to buy some more 1 ounce silver John Wicks, I have to do it. So this is the John Wick Silver Continental. It is a obviously 1 ounce silver round, and it has the same design as like the John Wick silver, or the gold John Wick coins. Ooh, that's a nice proof finish though. Holy smithereens. Anyway, the same design as the John Wick Continentals that you see in the movies, the one that they use, you know, to make their underground transactions, if you will. I wanted to get some more of those because those are really, really cool. We also got some of these. These are the 1 ounce silver Year of the Ox. These are 2021. Very, very beautiful. And they, of course, come from Nui. Looks like there's a little bit of scraping there on her face. That is unfortunate. You know, I sometimes I wish, like I'm pretty sure I ordered 20 of those. Maybe I didn't. I don't know. I remember I ordered, so this order was exactly 100 ounces of silver. I don't remember exactly how many I ordered of each thing. But I did get some of these. Take a look at this. This is really, really awesome. So we have the 1 ounce silver Sioux Chief. Now we have had these before. You can see there's a little bit of scratching on the case there, but you can tell it's on the case and not the coin because as you tilt it, it reflects off of the coin. But these are the Sovereign Nation Sioux America, and they are the 1 ounce silver Sioux Chiefs. They have the face value of $1. Now, obviously, that's in the Sioux Nation and not a U.S. dollar, but either way, that's really, really cool. So we got some more Sioux Chiefs. We've had those before. What else did we get in here? Oh, that's right. We got ourselves some more kangaroos. So take a look at this. What year did we get? A 2021? So I think we just ordered 2021. Yeah, we ordered some 2021 kangaroos, but these are really, really beautiful. Look at that gorgeous luster right there and finish. All right, so that is what we got. Again, it was 100 ounces total between the Black Turtles, the Liberty Freedom Rounds, the Sioux Chiefs, the Year of the Ox, and the John Wick Continentals. And it was an exactly 100 ounce order, but we have one more thing to share with you. So let's get the box out and get it open. Okay, so here we go, guys. We have this other box. Now, inside this box, there's only one silver coin. I should say, safety first, I almost cut towards me. I should say there's more than one, but there's only one design in here. These are brand new, just came out, and I just received them. I'm really excited to share them with you. So, of course, we have more packing foam that I get to use to reship things. We'll get out the packaging. Under there is the invoice. Y'all need to see that. And here we go. Let's take a look. So, it feels like we have a... I'm not sure. There's definitely tubes in here. Let's open this up and see what we have, how these are sorted. Are these like half tubes or... So we have a 10 counter. Okay. Oh, you kind of saw that. Now these feel taller. Yeah, so what... Okay, I don't know why those felt taller. So, oh! Because there was one rotated down there. Okay. So, there they are, guys. We have 5 tubes of the beautiful 1 ounce silver Australia 2021. Let's just open it up and take one out gently, not to scratch the capsule. 2021 1 ounce silver coin that won't come out of the capsule or come out of the roll. There we go. The 2021 1 ounce silver Fraser's Dolphin. Take a look at that. Oh man, those are pretty. You got the really cool texture of the ocean there, and obviously the water splashing as they come out and make their jump. Sun setting in the background. 1 ounce 999 fine silver Fraser's Dolphin. And we ordered 50 of those. Really excited to get those in finally. I've had those on order for a while and they just got here. So there you go, guys. 150 ounces of silver in our double unboxing. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, do me a favor. Go down below. Let me know what you think. Do you like the silver coins and rounds that I got in today? Things like that. Let me know. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you next time. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I did leave a video above you can check out if you haven't seen it yet. I also want to give a huge shout out and a huge thank you to my awesome channel supporters scrolling right there on the right hand of the screen. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one.